And this is the
Missile.
missile launcher.
Yeah. It's a launcher, but also a fire.
And this is the big helicopter. What its name?
Type 173 helicopter.
Bristol Type 173
Helicopter.
helicopter prototype. So
It is huge.
it's huge helicopter. And
And here.
here is a
Helicopter.
it is a
Helicopter.
helicopter. And its name is the helicopter to the rescue helicopter.
Yeah, this is a rescue helicopter. But
Okay.
look how less seats there are. Only 3 seats, so it's going to be okay.
Yeah,
If you're traveling in a group, well, that's not very good for you, isn't it?
yeah, this way it is the
Okay, what is this?
this is ready for day's work in the shadow factory. Yeah, so these are the
Places in Bristol. I'm just looking at places in Bristol now. Engine design complete. Which
it is the
that's parts.
internal mechanics of engine, internal parts.
Yeah, those are the
Parts of which engine? It is Bristol
and the
Centaurus MKIV engine.
eh?
And this is the
Bristol B fighter. View fighter.
Mr.
View fighter.
Viewfighter. Okay.